I'm Anna Trong with Henrico Recreation and Parks Department. And this holiday season, I decided just to put together some party fun or anytime fun that you might like to have and produce some mocktails. So for you who can't imbibe too much or have kids, these are some really fun ideas that my kids enjoyed making and trying, and I think yours will too. So we're gonna start with the classic milk and cookies, and we're gonna take it up a notch. This is something very easy, very simple. For our milk and cookies, we're gonna start with honey, and you're just gonna take some of it and squirt it onto a plate. And then you're gonna need a plate full of sprinkles. For now, we just wanna take our glass, get the rim sticky with the honey. And I've learned that honey kind of is runny. So you want to let it sit and maybe dry a little bit. Your second plate, you're just going to take your rim and you're going to get the sprinkles to stick on the honey. And any kind of sprinkles works, but I have these little tiny small ball sprinkles because I love the color, and you can just see a vibrant rainbow on your cup. Next, milk, of course. For our cookies, whatever your favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe is, some lollipop sticks, or if you have skewers or something like that, they're not going to burn in the oven. You just want to make sure you wrap your dough around the stick, bake it. You've got your chocolate chip cookie all set, and once you set that on the edge, it makes a lovely milk and cookies. Our next mocktail is white hot chocolate, and this is going to appeal to your sweet tooth as well as your inner child or the children in your household if you have some. We're going to pay homage to Elf on a Shelf and everybody's favorite Disney princess, Frozen. So we're gonna start with a half a cup of white chocolate chips. We're gonna put those in a saucepan, as well as 1 3/4 cup of milk. That goes in your saucepan. You're going to continually stir it, not bring it to a boil, but let it just simmer until it's all melted. Then we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, drop that in, give it a little stir. We'll see how we're doing here. And while we let that warm up, we're going to be thinking about what we want to add to the top. A little bit of food coloring changes your theme there. So red for Elf on the Shelf or blue for Frozen. Kind of add some pizzazz to it, as well as your sprinkles, as well as a little bit of whipped topping. Yum. Alrighty, and I think our hot chocolate is about ready. So you can ladle it or you can just pour it. I'm just going to pour it into my cup here. And a little bit, really it's just 1 drop is all you need of blue and 1 drop of red. And I'm going to use my candy cane spoon to swirl it. Gives you that nice frozen color. I'm just going to use the same because it's red on this one. And there's our favorite elf. All right, some whipped topping. I'm going to fill it up. And I've got my red and green sprinkles for my Elf on the Shelf. Oh, it's looking so nice. It's fun just to make it. And it's more fun to drink it. All right, so there you are for whoever you have in your household and what they like. Enjoy. All right, our next mocktail is something near and dear to my heart. At least I have one, because this is going to be a Grinch ice cream float. This is a super simple, pretty tasty mocktail that I think anyone will like, mostly because of the color. We're going to use some green Hawaiian punch. We want a cup of that. And really, it's a 1:1 ratio. So we're putting a cup of green Hawaiian punch and a cup of 7-Up. Now, I want to leave a little bit on my rim because I have something special to bring into it. Ice cream, the perfect topping. So we're going to take a couple of scoops of ice cream and just let that settle right on top. And I think of all these mocktails, the ice cream part is my favorite part. And what's next to find? Hearts. We found a heart for the Grinch. These are heart marshmallows. You can use heart sprinkles or whatever you would like to set right on top and give the Grinch a heart. Thanks for watching the Mocktails. Feel free to look at other videos that we have on our YouTube channel, and we'll have some more exciting themes coming up.